You'll have love at first sight with the 2020 Toyota Camry. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This captivating Camry is the ideal family sedan. Known for its safety and reliability, it goes above and beyond by offering a spacious, luxurious, connected cabin environment, seductive style, premium craftsmanship, customizable driving modes, and powerful performance to give you a truly inspired driving experience. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, power driver's seat, alarm, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, intermittent wipers. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.